Oh, it's disgusting. Alright, in this episode, we're gonna put this 4-point hitch all together with the rotation kit. Here are all the rest of my parts. They're all over there. There I go.
That might mean that I could have you near, and you can
Let it be. That is to be.
just feeding you and listening.
4 mil and a 10.
I'll make sure my bed is empty in case you come and see me.
Oh, baby.
Safe place.
Oh, it's a little tiny. What about this one? A little tiny spark. Figures, GoPro. What surprises? Spark's gone. That one's being a little cranky. Alright, how about this? Bitch. Alright, that makes that going in a lot better. Alright, next up is to put these nylon guides in place here. You would use me. Lock nuts.
Take what you want from me and leave me. Well, that's the same as if I'm using you. And I won't hold you down. I won't ask for any more than you can spare. I'll just give you everything I am. That might mean that I can have you, me, and you can let it be. That easy to be.
Message.
62 tabs open.
So we'll turn this one up. 9 minutes till break. Is to love her. Next is gonna be the handle.
To want her is only natural. Get in line.
You should see mine.
Today with her, you will be sure you found everything you ever hoped to find in your life.
All right, we'll do the long version today.
You should see mine. I can tell I could lie with her all night inside.
Emery cloth. It's a round stock with a slit. Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll do it. And then do it in reverse.
Her lips are so divine, and I could get a tan in the winter from the light in her eyes.
Gotta love that line.
And if you wanna really see a woman, then
You should see mine.
and if you wanna really see a woman, then
You should see mine. Switch directions, do it again. Yeah, if you can't push them through like that, you'll just break them trying to slug them in. What did I do?
fly on the wall.
There we go.
Looking down on the wall.
Well, Allen head bolts.
Just how long?
We got a spacer so it can pivot on that bushing. What are we doing here? We're doing just a washer, lock nut. Washer, lock nut. Jam nut.
Like all them dreams in this town. Falling uncounted. And the name right down the drain.
5/16, 9/16.
You know, it gives a person pause. Sit and think about the cost.
Perfect.